Lie flat on your back of the yoga mat with your arms by your side. Bend your knees with the feet flat on the floor. Relax in this position for a few breaths, breathing normally. Now inhale slowly and bring your knees towards your chest as you raise your whole legs off the floor. Calves will be parallel to the ground. Now inhale slowly and begin to straighten out the legs so that they're around 45 degrees off the ground. And as you do so, raise your upper body to touch your legs with both hands. And then try to keep the legs straight. Try to maintain the angle of 45 degrees and hold your breath and posture for 10 to 15 seconds. You can increase the time of holding the posture by practicing regularly. An alternative is to come into this pose from a seated position. Beginning seated, bring the knees close to the chest, bringing the legs up and extending.